What's up, guys? Nick here with Midway Trailers, and you got to check out this awesome 8x28 Wilson Foreman show stock trailer. As you can see up front here, we have the stainless steel nose with the black nose walls and the black sidewalls. Up front here, we have the access door on the driver's side to get into the nose. Up underneath, we have the 12K Bigfoot electric hydraulic jack with the battery housed in this toolbox. We have two punch belly vents underneath here with the up and down switch on the side. Sign porch light up front, and then we have lights top and bottom every corner post, and this one has the extruded panel package for the winter package. Down the side here we have the escape door on the passenger side, 33 inches with the load light on top, and then we also have the side ramp, the 50-inch side ramp with the black aluminum panel cover. As we open this up, we have the black rubber mat on top of this. And then we have the 50-inch standard cut door behind it, but you got to see what's behind this one. So we'll open this up. And then we got a gate right here. Just a little bit more airflow for your show stock while you're shooting at the show. Load light up top. We have tie bar right here on the back half of the trailer on the passenger side. We have two 10K axles on 17.5 tires on aluminum rims. And then we got some extra marker lights here in the side corner post to make 6 of them. On the back of the trailer, we have extra stop turn tails in the rear header and in the corner post to make 6, and then we also have load lines. This one is a full swing with an outside slide. We beefed up the slide by adding an extra roller and a stainless steel wear strip. Every Wilson that comes standard with a slam latch. But then we also added a prop rod to this trailer to hold the door open. So we'll shut it up here. Go inside, we have the .125 flat floor, and then we have tie rails all the way down the side on the driver's side, 2 rows there. We have 6 interior lights, and then we have 6 pop-up roof vents. The second cut gate here is a full swing with an inner slide, and the front cut gate is a floating cut gate with 4 compartments and then storage up at the front. And then we also put a neat little ceiling liner in here for some extra insulation. And that is everything for this trailer. If you have any questions, give me a call here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.